Hello and welcome. In this video, we're reviewing the triple Aero 15.6 inches Pro Max, a portable triple screen monitor setup that promises to transform your mobile productivity. But is it a game-changing tool or a risky buy from a sketchy site? Let's break it down. The triple Aero 15.6 inches Pro Max gives you three 15.6 inches Full HD IPS panels, bright with about 350 nits, with anti-glare coating and HDR support, all folding into a compact aluminum chassis you can carry like a briefcase. It connects via USB-C plus HDMI options, includes a 65 watts power adapter, has a sturdy adjustable stand, and works with both Mac OS and Windows machines. Reviews highlight its productivity benefits, think expanded desktop space on the go, and a solid build, though the refresh rate is 60 Hz. It's fine for office work but not ideal for gamers. On the flip side, caution flags pop up fast. The device is sold through a new domain called auradisplays.com, registered in late 2024 with a low trust score of just 60%, no listed contact address, and sparse product breadth, classic red flags for potential scams. While spec-wise it's comparable to models with valid reviews and reliability, there's limited verified user feedback to confirm acceptance or effective support. So, is it legit or a scam? If you find this device sold via secure, reputable vendors with solid return policies, it's a compelling tool for designers, travelers, and multitaskers, delivering real value. But buying directly from unverified sources like the newly launched Aura site carries unnecessary risk. With little assurance of customer support or product authenticity, it's safest to wait for more trusted listings or in-depth, verified user experiences before diving in. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.